Hello everybody, it's Larry. Welcome to 2 Minute Tips. So here we go. What we're going to talk about today is the DNA match list and how to use the filters to get the most out of it. Now, if you have a decent tree and you've matched your DNA and you have a reasonable amount of through lines, one of the first things you can do to kind of power through it is click on Common Ancestors. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to give you a list of all your DNA matches that have common ancestors with you. Okay, so this can be real handy as you click each one and see what through lines recommends. Now, that's a recommendation. You've seen some other videos in channel. Don't take those as gospel. You have to verify them. All right. Do not forget that. Another thing you can do is do those with publicly linked trees. So if they have a publicly linked tree, then you can click apply and you can get more information even that way. Remove the common ancestors button. You still get all those with publicly linked trees, but without the common ancestors as a particular filter. If they have a publicly linked tree and they have a common ancestor, they'll still show up. But you definitely want people with the publicly linked trees. Now, this is particularly useful when you do that with your grouping. So let's say I'm going to use the Brown family, and I want to research my Brown family line, and I've got publicly linked trees. Now, this focuses me on the DNA matches that are useful, because if they don't have trees at all, then that person is in my list and I'm reading their name, reading their information, but they're really not of value to my research. Like right here, no tree, all right? That's a private tree, here's a no tree. So I really don't want to see that. I always start with publicly linked trees and then I go to unlinked trees. It would be nice if Ancestry let us do like here where I can click Brown and McFarland and click apply, okay? And do over here on the trees and do publicly linked and unlinked. But as of today, they don't have that feature. So there you have it. One of the best things to do is do the publicly linked trees and do filtered by that. You can also do common ancestors. Those are two, along with your groupings, that'll really give you a lot of value in looking at your DNA matches.